Good morning, everybody. So hopefully you've been with me long enough to know that I try to keep things pretty positive, pretty bubbly. I'm a pretty positive person in general. I mean, it's kind of hard to be unhappy doing what I do for a living. However, there are days where it is a struggle. And the past couple days just happen to be those days. I am not having the best time out in California, to be honest. I've just been having a hard time with the location of my Airbnb. There's like no Wi-Fi, there's no cell service. The wind is insane. I opened the door. I waited for 20 minutes for a break in the wind last night to open the door to my Airbnb after trying to open the gate and getting pushed into a cactus. The wind was so strong. It's kind of funny, you have to laugh. But sure enough, there was a break in the wind. I opened the door and sure enough, wind blew and knocked everything off the walls and broke a bunch of my stuff. I'm just kind of having a hard time, honestly. I did take a viewer's recommendation and went out to the Redlands, which is where I am today. So hopefully at least I get a change of scenery. Hopefully we find some good stuff. At this point, my expectations are super, super low, but I am at Back in Time Antique Mall trying to maintain my positivity. Let's go in and see what they got. At least I have a bunch of places lined up for today. And of course, now I'm having problems with my camera again. Only natural. All right, hopefully my camera holds up. I'm having troubles, of course. I love the cottage cheese jar. That's at 20, but it's these guys right here. Pair for $39. And 20% off. These are actually really hard to find. My camera's being really funny. It almost looks like it's in a time lapse. All right, hopefully that does something. So those guys are at $39 and 20% off, which comes to like $11 or $12 each. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pick those up actually. Oh, they're so hard to find. But, you know, now I'm seeing that the cat has a little bit of chipping, and I'm assuming this guy does too. I'm gonna keep walking around, but I'm gonna keep those in mind. Oh, so tough to walk away from things sometimes. I'm trying everything, but my camera keeps cutting out. This mirror is beautiful. I love stuff like that. All right, we seem to be working now. Let's try to make the most of this day. Thank goodness for you guys, because I tell you, this is so far the best antique mall I've been to since I've been in California. Oh my gosh, the three-faced baby. Like, even if I don't find anything, thank you for telling me about this, because I needed this experience. There's so much neat stuff in here. The prices, of course, are a little bit higher than I'm accustomed to, but that doesn't surprise me due to location. I love that thing. But I'm feeling good. I have a good attitude now. At least now my camera's working. And I do believe that these are newer china, yeah. Neat though. They're made to look like the older lusterware planters like that, obviously. Man, there's so much stimulation. Oh, I love this case. So romantic. Look at that, Estee Lauder jeweled compact. So neat. Oh my gosh, that bag is amazing. That's so fun. Humpty Dumpty Bank. Some cute kitschy stuff in here, thank goodness. Well, there's one piece of pottery in here that definitely catches my eye. It's that girl. Oh, I've never seen one quite like that. 35, I think. Maybe there's a digit before the 35. I'm not sure what it is. I see a little nick on it. It's very neat. Oh my gosh, and this blue satin vase is so pretty. Epic doll situation. A lot of Victorian stuff. I love this little doll here. She's fantastic. She looks expensive. $90. Love the hat box she's on. Oh my gosh, stop it with this little pink chair. Yeah, so far pretty much everything has been very Victorian style, which I don't mind. It's very pretty, but definitely not in my price range. Oh my gosh. Bambi bobblehead planter. $45. Dude. I wonder if there's a discount. I've never seen that before. Oh my gosh, that half doll and that ceramic pinup girl. Yeah, these ceramic pinup girls are epic, but they're $120 each. Wow. Really amazing stuff in here. Look at that box. Whoa. Well, what do we have here? Look at that big pink poodle. Love the little guys. Definitely priced accordingly. Oh my gosh. The crying onion. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Wow. That's an amazing Borden's situation happening in there. And the pink horses. Well, I guess this looks more like a donkey than a horse. This one looks like a horse. I don't see price tags though. Well, I definitely see something else I like. That girl pincushion. The bigger one says 65. I wonder if I can get the tag on her. And I can't lie, I'm still really caught up on that Bambi Nodder. Let's see. $30. Is there a discount? No discount. Wow, she's fantastic. Oh, I see that little chalkware Cupid. Unfortunately, the boudoir Cupid chalkware I bought was one of the casualties of the windstorm situation last night. So unfortunate. I've seen a lot of fun jewelry, but nothing that's really calling my name yet. Oh, the Mahjong one though. It's a necklace. That's pretty neat. Interesting. Of course, you can't see the price tag on it. Just my luck. Well, I saw 2 of the tags in that area that were turned over, and I'm pretty sure it's out of my league. This is so cute. I've never seen one with a little hole like that in this size. 22 though. That's about retail. These cats are really interesting. Fitz and Floyd. 42, and like this hand is really neat. 26 though. I kind of like this owl, honestly. There's something kind of different about it. 1850. Oh, it's wood. I'm not sure about that. And then Little Pig. Cats by Nina, it looks like. Oh my gosh, how did I almost miss you? Oh, fantastic. $20. Huh? 1966. So, that's a little close, $20. I've never seen one quite like this though. It's kind of fantastic. What is this? I really want to pick this up. But again, I think it's a little close. These are usually pretty beat up too. I love that she's got the cat. Let's see, 10%. Yeah, so that's not going to do much. Now, do remember that I do have to come home eventually, so I will be stopping at a lot of places. I'm sure I'll be able to buy a bunch of stuff similar to the way I did on the way here, so I'm not that worried about it if I don't end up finding much. Oh, wow, look at that. That's amazing. That hand-painted box, and this is amazing too. So pretty. Looks incredibly expensive. $125 on the box. I can't see what this is. I think, is it a decanter set? Like a little miniature decanter? I think so. Yeah, look at that one. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That one's at $230. Oh my gosh, look at the Marilyn. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh, and the Bathing Beauty. Oh my gosh. They're $12 each. They're so cute. I'm like so obsessed with them. Oh, but again, it's just like a little too close. If it was for myself, I wouldn't think twice. Oh, so tough to walk away from that. Ooh, look at that light. That's fantastic. I love how they did the bulbs in that. So fantastic. I really like that idea. And that pink and gold tone bracelet's amazing too. What's happening over here? I love this. $159, 20% off. That is gorgeous. Oh, I really like that. Let's see what's going on over here. Little Maryland moment. That's kind of fun. Oh, there's salt and pepper shakers. How neat. $10. I know they're new, but they're still cool. I've never seen the Maryland cup and coffee. I've sold Marilyn Monroe stuff that's newer before, and it's actually done all right. Wait, this is amazing. This laxative bottle with the nude lady. 20% off too. Well, I'm gonna pick this up. This is really quite fantastic. Wow, I'm surprised I actually found something. I love the heart planter too. That's 14 and 20% off, which is another really good deal. But I'm a little on the fence about it, believe it or not. Even though I'm gonna be watching this back and be like, why did I do that? This is a neat little booth. This is kind of bothering me though. How new are they? 2006. Oof, that's pretty new. They're neat though. Ooh, really pretty. Pricey, but pretty. It's hard to find these in such good condition. Look at these hat stands. Utter perfection. So I came back to this booth. It looks like I'm reaching the end. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. I'm nervous that's gonna tip. Nope, that's not. Nope, that's... Oh, gosh, I'm having such a hard time out here. All right, well, I got it down. I have never seen something quite like this. It's fantastic. The tin itself is made in England. Fred Heyman, Beverly Hills. I love the graphics on that. It's $19, but 20% off. I like the fact that it's something I wouldn't find back home. I might actually look this up. I'm really tempted to pick this up. It comes to like $16, $17 after the discount. I'm having a hard time finding one quite like it online. Ooh, and look at this. Now I'm finding stuff. That little mat is really sweet. And it's a nice size, $7 and 20% off. That would make my cost average better, at least. I think I'm gonna pick that up with that bottle. This is still bothering me. I'm gonna give this a better look. I'm also strangely into this old cinnamon tin, probably because it's very far from what I would see out east. $9 and 20%. I don't think I could get much out of that. What is this one? Looks like brass, made in China. Neat though. So I do see something in this case. The little pins back there, I can't tell what that little box is. I'm gonna get a price on that. The prices in this booth are really good. And the more I look, the more I see. So I'm gonna go get a key. And then I also can't help but notice that plaque. I'm wondering if that's Italian. I can't tell the way it's propped, but it's at $8. So I'm gonna check out this booth as well. I seem to have found a little nook for myself. Oh my gosh, the lucite clip-on earrings, so fun. So I did get the hairpins out of that case. They were French and beautiful. And then I also got the mother and child print. It was Italian and it was at $8. Now I also picked this up. I know this is newer, but you know I love a good risque. This is $10, and it's just really, really interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up for $10. The other thing that kind of caught me, now I'm seeing there's all kinds of stuff down here. The other thing that caught my eye was this little Chocolate Shops wooden box. It's really interesting. Super old. It's only $8. It does have some condition issues. I love this. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to get this. Even though the wood, the thing is the wood here is coming undone a little bit. It moves a little. So I'm nervous about that. It's just on that one side. And of course it's missing its latch. But it's so old and it's so unique. Like the chocolate shops, Pasadena and Los Angeles, California redwood, is it deep? Like, what? That's so weird. For $8, I can't leave that behind on principle. Now, let's see what is going on down here. They probably think I'm insane crawling around on the ground like this. That's a lamp, actually. And what's down here? Goat. Is that a goat? Oh, I was hoping that was going to be a heart-shaped goat. I would have sent that to Alex at BF Vintage. She loves goats. This is a little underwhelming. I was trying to find if there was any haul. That's neat. I was trying to see if there was anything else. I'm really into this tin. I just think it's a little much for me. The size is a little awkward. I'm more of a smaller girl. That bottle's really neat. Yeah, I don't really think I see anything else. The heart planter is still great though. This might be it. So I spent $49 in there. The lady was super nice and gave me a list of suggestions of places to go next. There's one about 1.5 miles that they have another location I'm gonna go to. But in case you guys wanna know what a bad time I'm actually having, I mean, not right now, obviously, Airbnb is issuing me a refund for the remainder of my stay. I've made it like maybe 4 days in Palm Desert. Well, I'm actually in Desert Hot Springs. It's really pretty, but it's really not for me. The Wi-Fi, the wind, you name it, it's just not in my favor. It's not practical for what I need. So I'm gonna make the most of my time out here before I go somewhere else, and I'll see you guys at my next stop.